pollution comes from urban sources, such as power stations and vehicles, as well as rural sources, like farm animal manure and fertilizers. Nitrogen oxides, NOx, ammonia, NH3, and sulfur dioxide, SO2, are all contributors to air pollution. Air pollution has no boundaries. It affects nature either close to the source or far away from it, because it can drift a long way on air currents, even from or to another country. Air pollution affects nature as well as people by increasing nutrient levels to excess and decreasing soil pH. It's contributing to the loss of wildlife we are witnessing. Scientists know it affects plants, trees, fungi, mosses, and lichen, with knock-on effects for other wildlife and even whole ecosystems.